Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, this pattern is easy to follow and super satisfying to make. Hey everyone, welcome back to my crochet corner. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet a perfect blend of classic and modern style granny square. Come stitch with me. Start with the magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your hook, make an X, insert your hook inside it, bring the yarn out from there and make a chain. This is how we make magic ring. Now make 2 chains as a first double crochet, 1, 2, and then make 1 more double crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, bring the yarn out. Now pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is how we make double crochet. Now make a chain and make 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2. 2 plus a chain. Again make 2 double crochet into the ring and 1 chain. 1, 2. Repeat this diagram 5 more times. In the end, we must have 8 clusters of 2 double crochet plus 8 chain 1 spaces. This motif is so versatile. You can use it for blankets, bags, cushions, coasters, or even stylish garments. The best part, you can easily expand it and keep crocheting to make it as large as you want. Just follow the same pattern and repeat the rounds if you feel free to get creative. Okay. Now in the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain and close the hole in the middle by pulling on the loops in the end. Pull it as you can and done. Now cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I do it by the needle. Insert my needle under the 3rd stitch here, bring it out, and again insert my needle into 1st stitch here and bring it out. Done. And all we need to do is that moving between the stitches and hide the tail of the yarn in there. And after that, cut the tail of the yarn very close to the sewing. This is our first round. For the next round, make a slip knot on our hook, wrap a yarn around your hook and start from any chain space you like. Insert your hook into there, bring the yarn out, and now pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Also you can make 3 chains as a 1 double crochet. Then make 2 more double crochet into the same space and 2 chains, 1 and 2. Again make 3 double crochet into the same space. In this round I use one way and one method to starting my row, and into the next row I will be using another method for the starting the row. Okay, go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet into there. Without no chain, go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into there. This is our corner spaces of a square. Okay, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet into the same space. Into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet. In my next video, I'm gonna turn this motif into a cute and stylish bandana, perfect for adding a handmade touch to your outfit. So stay tuned if you want to see how that turned out. Okay, Just keep going by making 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the 1 chain space, and into the next chain space make 3 double crochet. Again 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the next chain space, and 3 double crochet into the next chain space. Okay, okay. If you enjoyed this video, please send it to your friends who loved it too. Thanks for your support. Your support means a lot. It means a world to me. And the last chain space of 3 double crochet. In the end, just join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Done. Here is our second row. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by a needle. You can do it with any method you like. Just insert my needle under the third stitch, bring it out, insert my needle again into the first stitch, and bring it out and secure it between the stitches in the wrong side of my work here. Don't push too hard the needle. And then so that you hide your tail of the yarns and secure them very well. Cut the tail of the yarn and done. Go for the next round, round 3. Make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the 2 chain space, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 and pull through 2, and then make 2 chains. Also you can make 5 chains as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Okay, then make 3 double crochet into the same chain space. This is make our corner, and then go to the next space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet without no chains. Make 3 double crochet into there. Go to the next space here between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet and make 3 double crochet in there. And go to the next chain space in the corner, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. Then you can use any method that I taught you in this pattern. The method for the start in the round 2 and the method in the start from round 3. Each of these methods is perfect. The important point for the method, the first in the round 2, is that it has a little bug. If you want to make your square bigger in the round 10 or I don't know, 15 maybe, your work will be turn the circular shape. Okay, but if you use the method from the round 2 and in the each round just turn your work to the wrong side and right side, this is not happen anymore. And if you want, you can use the pattern from the round 3. And also for the round 2, the important point is that if you want to flip your work in the each round, you don't have any wrong side or right side in your square. I will place the link for you on the screen and in the description box of the pattern and method that you flip your work in the each round that I taught you before in my previous video. Okay, then just keep going along by making double crochet in the each spaces and 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the corner space. Okay, in the end, make 2 double crochet before the start chains and just make a slip stitch into the first stitch or third chain. If you make 5 chains, let's start and cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. And if you like my video, I will be happy that you place your opinion in my comments below and leave a cute heart for me in the comments if you like. I would be happy. Make a slip knot on your hook and start the chain space here. Make 3 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2 and 3. And now just make 1 single crochet into each next stitches until the end of the row. And when you receive to the chain space, just make 3 single crochet in there. As I said to you, when you receive to the chain space here, make 3 single crochet in there. Do this until the end of the row. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. After crocheting this motif, it's better that you steam it with using a steam iron to help it hold its shape. I'll show you how to do that. You just need to hold the steam iron about 2 or 3 centimeters away from the motif and give it a few bursts of steam. Then gently stretch the motif from all the 4 sides to make it flat and even like this. You can do this on the blocking board for more precision. Okay, that's it. Our granny square is ready. I hope you had fun making it. I definitely did. See you in next video where we'll transform this lovely square to a handmade bandana. Happy crocheting. Love you all. Take care. Bye.